In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xero bill error that says account must be valid. If you're trying to save or approve a bill in Xero and you keep seeing this message, don't worry. This is a very common issue and it's usually caused by one of two things. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to find the problem and fix it quickly so you can get your bills processed without frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to check is something I call ghost lines. These are empty or zero value rows inside your bill that can trigger the account must be valid error even though everything looks fine at first glance. To check this, log into Xero and go to the top menu. Click on Business, then select Bills to Pay. From here, open the Draft tab or the Awaiting Approval tab, depending on where your bill is saved. Now open the bill that's giving you the error. Once the bill is open, carefully scan through the line item section. Look for any row that has no description, no account selected, or shows a $0 value like 0.00. Sometimes these blank rows get added accidentally when importing data or when pressing Enter to create a new line. Even though they look harmless, Xero still expects a valid account code on every active line. If you find a blank or zero value row, go to the far right side of that specific row and click the X icon to delete it completely. Make sure the row disappears entirely. After removing any ghost lines, try saving or approving the bill again. In many cases, this alone fixes the error immediately. If you're still seeing the account must be valid message, the next step is to verify the account status in your chart of accounts. Sometimes the account code used on the bill has been archived, and Xero won't allow you to use archived accounts in new transactions. To check this, go to the top menu and click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts screen, look for the Archive tab. Click on that tab and search for the account code that you are trying to use on the bill. If you find it listed there, that means the account has been archived. To fix this, simply tick the checkbox next to the account and click Restore. This will reactivate the account and allow you to use it again on bills and other transactions. After restoring it, go back to your bill, reselect the correct account if necessary, and then try saving or approving the bill again. That should resolve the issue. There's one more thing you should check if the error still appears, and that's your connected apps. If you're using an integration that pushes bills into Xero, for example a receipt capture tool or third-party expense software, sometimes the account codes don't sync properly. In that case, go into the connected app settings and make sure your chart of accounts is fully synced. Refresh the connection if needed, then re-import or update the bill. Incorrect or outdated account mappings can definitely trigger this error. So just to recap, if you see the Xero error that says account must be valid, first delete any ghost or blank line items in the bill. Second, check your chart of accounts and restore the account if it's archived. And third, verify that any connected apps are properly synced with your account codes. One of these steps will almost always fix the problem. And that's it. You've now fixed the Xero bill error account must be valid. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Xero troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.